Dear second year students, today we are going to discussing about translation. This is the structure of transcription and translation process. In this transcription process, the RNA synthesis from DNA. In this translation process, the protein synthesis from RNA. Translation. Components of the translational apparatus. The RNA. Structure and amino acid composition. It is a basic features. And second one is the ribosomes, prokaryotic ribosomes and components, eukaryotic ribosomes and components, and functions of ribosomal units. The mRNA and the genetic code, features of prokaryotic and eukaryotic mRNA and the genetic code and its features, obling and the genetic code. These are the necessary for the translation process. Ribosomes has 3 tRNA binding sites: A site, P site and E site. Binding site for first aminosylated tRNA. P site, binding site for the peptidyl tRNA. E site, binding site for the uncharged tRNA. These sites are present at the interface between the small and the large subunit of ribosomes. Ribosomes are the macromolecular complex that directs the synthesis of proteins. These are the sites of protein synthesis having 30 to 40% protein, 60 to 70% rRNA. Each ribosome having 2 ribosomal subunits, larger and smaller. This is the central dogma of translation process. 5' end to 3' end. The 5' end always end with 3' end. The 3' end always ends with 5' end. This is the transcription in the transcription process. Next, the 5' end ends with 3' end decoded as 5' end to 3' end. In this process, AUG and CCU, AGG, UAC, CCCUA and UJ, particular codons code by the methionine, bromine, arginine, thymine and leucine, particular amino acids. This is the translation process. In this process, the DNA, in this transcription process, the DNA decoded. Next, this transcription process, the RNA comes from DNA. Next, in the translation process, the proteins comes from mRNA. Translation is the process in which a sequence of nucleotide triplets in a messenger RNA gives rise to a specific sequence of amino acids during the synthesis of polypeptide chain or protein. Translation process occurs in cytosol and requires the involvement of protein synthesizing units, ribosomes, mRNA, tRNA, amino acids, amino acid RNA, synthetase and several other proteins. Next, protein synthesis components. mRNA, ribosomes, amino acids 20 and tRNA and magnesium, amino acid tRNA, synthetase 1 and 2, initiation, elongation and termination factors. This is the structure of transcription process. Transcription into mRNA. First one is, second one is the translation of mRNA. In this translation of mRNA, the ribosomes are involved in this process. Amino acid activation and tRNA loading, specificity and fidelity of amino acylation reaction. Protein synthesis in prokaryotes, the initiation complex and initiation factors, initiation, elongation and translocation, termination of translation. Antibiotics and prokaryotic protein synthesis. Eukaryotic translocation. Eukaryotic initiation factors and initiation complex, initiation, elongation, termination, and diphtheria toxin and its facts, iron and globin synthesis. And the next one is transfer RNA. This transfer RNA, this is the structure of transfer RNA. In this transfer RNA consisting of anticodon loop and amino acid attachment sites and T epsilon C loop and extra arm variable and AHU loop and phosphorylated 5 terminus. This is the structure of transfer RNA. And last, prokaryotic ribosomes and eukaryotic ribosomes. 70S and 80S ribosomes involving in the translation process. 70S consisting of a 2500 molecular weight. The 70S ribosomes divided into 50S and 30S. The 50S ribosomes molecular weight 1 lakh 1 crore 6 lakhs, and next the 30S molecular weight 9 lakhs. Next, the 50S RNA divided into 5S rRNA and 23S rRNA. The 30S ribosomes consisting of 16S rRNA. The 5S rRNA consisting of 120 nucleotides, 23S rRNA contains 2900 nucleotides, and 16S rRNA 1540 nucleotides. And the 50S ribosomes contains 34 proteins, and 30S ribosomes contains 21 proteins. Next, the 80S RNA. Next, the 80S RNA molecular weight 4 crores 42 crores molecular weight, and next 40S rRNA 1 crore 4 lakhs, and 16S rRNA molecular weight 28 crores. Molecular weight of 5S rRNA 120 nucleotides consisting of 28S rRNA 4700 nucleotides, and 5.8S rRNA 160 nucleotides, and 18S rRNA 1900 nucleotides. The 60S rRNA consisting of 49 proteins, and 40S rRNA consisting of 33 proteins. This is the prokaryotic organism 70S, and eukaryotic ribosomes are 80S ribosomes. Thank you.